Hello guys, welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lectures. Today I have brought new updates regarding PhD admission in Shiv Nadar University School of Engineering, Department of Civil Engineering. PhD admission announcement for session starting from August 2021, monsoon 2021. In this Department of Civil Engineering in School of Engineering at Shiv Nadar University invite application for admission to PhD program. In this program they will provide you monthly stipend of 50,000 per month for first 2 years and 55,000 for next 2 years. There are a lot of research areas in which areas you can choose and pursue your PhD, like in environmental engineering they have water and wastewater treatment, air quality monitoring and modeling, solid and hazardous waste management, engine exhaust characterization and its fate analysis, health risk exposure associated to environment contaminants. Likewise, there are also different areas in geotech engineering, geoinformatics, structural transportation, water resources engineering. Regarding eligibility, if you have MEM Tech in relevant discipline with minimum 60% marks, then you can apply in this PhD program. Selection process, eligibility criteria mentioned above are minimum standard, and application not meeting the same will be rejected. If you are going to shortlist then they will check your they will assess you about your practical knowledge or technical skills by conducting written test and interview in July month. The written test and interview will be conducted at Shiv Nadar University in Dadri, Greater Noida, UP. The shortlisted candidate will be entitled for travel allowance up to 3rd AC train fare by shortest route for return journey for appearing for written test and interview. Syllabus, about that, if you the syllabus of GATE 2021 will be valid here also for written test. Fees and financial assistance, fees for monthly stipend already they have mentioned you. All full-time student admitted in PhD program shall receive doctor research and teaching assistantship consisting of 100% tuition fee waiver and 20% hostel fee waiver. Means you don't have to pay any tuition fee, and 70% hostel fee also waived for you if you are a full-time PhD scholar. Application instruction, application fee, they will charge you 1200 non-refundable fees here. Regarding application, you have to apply it online. You have to fill all the mandatory details, then you have to upload passport size color photograph, current CV, then mark sheet, then get a score, a statement of purpose. The application fee can be paid online or a demand draft can be sent to university. After online submission, print the completed form and send it by speed post to the university at address given below the following document: completed form, one reference letter to support your application, demand draft for application fee. If online fee payment mode is not used, this is the address they have given. You can send your completed application form on this address. Regarding the important dates, the last date for application is June 14. Then written test and interview will be conducted between July 2 to 4. Then on July 15 they will declare the result. Fee payment deadline given July 26, 2021. Then monsoon 2021 first day. Class will be commenced from August 2, 2021. They have given this link also. After downloading this application, this advertisement, if you are clicking on this apply now, then you can redirect it to application website, application page. So it's very important for you if you want to apply PhD in civil engineering, because the stipend is too much and it's a great opportunity for you. And also share with your friends who want to apply PhD in civil engineering. So If you have not subscribed the channel till now, please subscribe. Thank you.